Nicole here, and I'm here with my friend Brenna again. Say hi.
Hi.
And stop it. And we're also here with my puppy Tucker. Oh, my babies. And he is a pit bull and a basset hound mix. He is very short, and Tucker, sit. He has very crooked legs. And he's my little puppy. Say hi, people. Hi, people. And he is an interesting breed. And the part about him that is a pit bull is he has a pit bull head, pit bull teeth, and he has the body of a basset hound, the tail of a pit bull. It's nice and long. Okay, that was my point. And he's my little baby. And we are here to show you what he's like. So, I gathered the last treat of his bacon. My thighs look huge. Thigh clapping. Anyways. And hang on. Scoot over there. Tucker. Come here. Army crawl. Army crawl. Army crawl. Army crawl. Yeah.
That's really cute.
Yeah. And he is the best company when I'm home alone.
Without a friend.
And he's my little companion. Yes, he is. And we are going to show you a couple of tricks that he can do.
Come on, Tucker.
There's so many people here that loved Gracie. Her family, her friends. A Rolls
It doesn't work.
What can I say about
Tucker.
He is the most get in the way dog that I have ever known.
Yeah.
Like,
No, unfortunately that squirrel couldn't be with us today.
and
I know it would say.
I know it's a bit late to have a Christmas tree, but
We need that light.
alright,
Does anyone else have any memories they'd
we
like to
can't
share
get that
with
light
Gracie?
because then we're gonna unplug something. Tucker, come here. Sit up nice. Oh, oh, you guys didn't see that. Alright.
My first memory of Gracie was 4 years old.
So I'll have to do that again.
One of the girls
Actually,
danced
we will have to move this back here. Sorry you guys have to see us moving the table.
said to me, don't touch the car.
Oh, that chips that I
Even though she was
there. Anyways, my house is very messy right now, as you can see. And we will do this again. Tucker, come here. Sit up nice. He's sitting on his hind legs and he cannot stay like that for long. Like I will show you. He's tiny.
memory of the dear departed Gracie.
He's like, can I have it now? Like he's starting to fall. Come on, man. That's cute. He's like, this is technical, baby. Okay. Go over. Is it over there? Hang on. Alright, Tucker, come. Come.
No.
Alright.
No.
Come on. Jump for it. Jump for it. Jump. Oh, you failed.
He was really high though.
Especially for his head.
Yeah.
He's a short puppy.
Yes.
That's on. Alright, Tucker, down. Roll over.
And they also saw him walk the army walk.
No, they couldn't. Army crawl?
Yeah.
Tucker. No.
No.
Army crawl.
Army crawl.
Wait, hang on. Tucker,
That's
over
it.
here.
Army
No,
crawl.
stop.
No.
No, don't roll over. Army crawl. Army crawl. Army crawl. Army crawl. Yeah.
1
Here, my Chinese puppy.
Both hit big milestones this week.
Just kidding, not actually Chinese. But
And I got my first car.
Tucker.
Unfortunately,
Up.
my milestone
Down.
only lasted.
Oh, I also taught him to dance. Tucker, up. Dance. Come on.
Turns out you're very independent.
Dance.
which
Oh,
is a good
come
thing.
here.
Not all Duncan kids
Up.
let go so easily.
Dance. Dance. No. Up. Dance. He's still learning. Anyways, Tucker, come. Up. Dance. Dance.
Kind of
you
did it.
you turd.
He kind of
Come
did
here. Up. Dance. Dance. Come here. Come here. Oh God. Oh. That's gross.
it. Can
You
you
just
have
barked up a tiny piece of the.
bacon?
That was gross.
Can you have him chase his tail?
Chip, come here. No. He's a turd. Up. He's not like an old guy. Dance. Oh, come here. All right, Chip. Down. Dance. Go. Oh. Oh no, you tired. Don't roll over. Don't. Oh my God. Get off. Chip, up. Come here.
Oh.
Dance. Up. Up. Jump for it. Up. Dance. Oh. Oh my God.
Just let him pass from that.
Okay. Come here. Don't. Wait. And here's one more thing. Tucker. No. Eddie. Now I'll get some bigger treats. It will take us a minute to either find them or make them, so we will be back in a minute. Bye for a second. Oh my God. Alright. Hey. Alright. Hey guys, we're back. We got something and it's a sponge cake. And it doesn't really taste good.
Come here, Tucker.
Tucker, come here. Alright. Come here. Here.
I thought you were gonna say huh.
Huh? Almost. Damn.
He was sitting on his bottom.
Okay, Tucker, twirl. Go. Twirl. Come on. Come on. No, come here.
Over here, Tucker.
Come here, Tard.
Come here, Tucker.
Come.
He's not in the camera.
Chase it. Come here. Chase it.
He said no. He got all over.
You're mean. You're a mean dog.
He's not in the camera anymore.
Look at my crazy sock.
You're wearing,
Crazy socks.
you're wearing matching.
I know, I don't feel like me today. I'm wearing matching socks. Alright. Tucker, come here. Up. No. No. Down. Wait. Wait. Like, when can I eat? Hey! That.
Oh, that cottage cheese is funky. Time to say goodbye.
Are you looking at a sword?
It's a cross. Well, to him it's an upside down cross. So there. Nope. Hey, babies.
No.
You just want me?
You're almost there, Tucker. You're almost there. He's done. He's done.
Uh-huh.
Maybe we should have like. I was thinking of something for like Tucker. We could like have. Do you have plastic baggies?
Mhm.
Or we could put different amounts in them and see which one Tucker wants.
We will be right back, folks.
Focus.
Bye. Alright, hey guys, I'm back, and we put different amounts of treats in one baggie. I have half, she has a quarter. And that's a very nice shirt, huh?
He'll like either go for the one
Tucker,
that
come here.
he'll like go for the one that's either healthier for him or that'll make him fatter.
Probably go for the one in the middle, and that'll make him fatter.
Yes.
Alright, Tucker. Which one?
Come on, choose
Which one?
He wants this one. Okay. Now, how about we take them out of the bag and set them on the ground? Like over here.
No, they're naked. See? Like over here. Alright, half. This is half, or this is a quarter. This is half. Tucker, which one?
Which one?
Come on. Tucker, come here. Which one do you want? Come here, come here. Tucker, which one? Come here, baby.
Come on. Ew.
Why'd you cut off his ponytail? This is my first day with scissors. I'd eaten a donut. I was out of my mind.
Stan, no one wants to see that.
Oh, Tucker, put it away. Put it away.
Bleep.
Well, you could have just turned around.
Oh, he chooses happier. And then he chooses that.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, you healthy. And they're like, fat.
To the South High Action News team or shit.
If you want us
Anyways, I wanted to apologize for postponing the meeting. As you
Should
know,
we do,
I fell
like-
off my bike.
if you want to see another video, Tucker, give us suggestions on what to do.
Yeah, if we're still accepting, you know, suggestions for what we should do, because we're seriously out of ideas. And
Please give us some.
please, 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 please. It would be gladly appreciated. And hey, I may hunt you down. Subscribe.
Peace.
Alright, so yeah, that'll be all for today. Bye!